Welcome to Dhiksha Learning. Today, let us learn some facts about farm animals. Cow. A baby cow is called a calf. Cow eats grass, clover, and hay. The fun fact about cow is they smell things up to 6 miles away. Horse. A baby horse is called a foal. Horse eats grass, hay, corn and oats and some fruits and vegetables. The fun fact about horse is they sleep standing by. Pig. A baby pig is called a piglet. Wild pig will eat leaves, roots, fruit and rodents. The fun fact about pig is they can't sweat. Sheep. A baby sheep is called a lamb. Sheep eats mostly grass, plants and seeds. The fun fact about sheep is they have rectangular pupils. Chicken. A baby chicken is called a chick. Chicken eats grass, bugs, fruits, vegetables and even table scraps. The fun fact about chicken is they dream when they sleep. Goat. A baby goat is called a kid. Goat eat shrubs, trees, hay and grains. The fun fact about goat is they do not have front teeth in their upper jaw. Thank you for watching.